Ever notice how sometimes your ideas they click, right? They just flow. There's no obstruction, there's no tension, there's no stress involved. They just flow right through you easily. That's not luck. That's alignment. In fashion and in life, flow happens when all parts of you are sending the same signal. Your mind, your heart, your hands, all moving in rhythm in the same direction. But the moment one part of you says, I want this, and another part of you says, I'm not ready, that signal splits. That's when doubt shows up and overthinking kicks in, hesitation slows everything down, and flow goes out the window. It disappears. Creativity can only move in one clear direction. Life responds the same way. All of you moving as one. So before you start a project, right? Before you sketch your design, before you commit to the next move, ask yourself, am I all in? Am I sending one clear signal? If the answer is no, pause. Figure out what needs work. What thoughts or feelings or beliefs need to be looked at and reevaluated. Then start as one cohesive voice. That's creative power. That's flow. This is exactly what I go deeper in my book, Design Your Future. It's not about motivation. It's about clarity, alignment, and designing from intention. Design your future. Be a future designer. Fashion design, self-discovery, and the science of success. Yes, I wrote another book, but this one is very different. It blends creativity, mindset, and empowerment because your mindset is your greatest design tool. It's about you becoming the designer of your life. This book is for all creatives, not just fashion designers. It's for people with talent and vision who still struggle to bring their dreams to life. I have seen that the missing piece is often the mindset and the right tools to evolve an idea into reality. I will be reading selections from this book every week so that you can get a first-hand feel for what it's really about. So stay tuned, follow along, and if you are ready to dive in now, the book is available on Amazon in both paperback and ebook. Click the link. Let's design your future together. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a fashion designer, but you have no idea where to start? Well, I've got something just for you. A free fashion design mini course. It's short, it's simple, and it's packed with essentials that you need to start your fashion journey. Like sketching and pattern making and fabrics and branding. You'll discover what it takes to build your creative vision and start thinking like a designer. And it's not just theory. This is practical, real-world guidance that will take you and will move you from I love fashion to I see, now I know what it takes to become a fashion designer. And the best part, it's free. Are you ready? Let me take you on a little journey. Enroll in the free mini course and start building your future as a fashion designer today. Let's go. I'll see you inside the course.